Welcome to Case Study Series in Operations Management Case Study by skilled MBA Craft Wood Furniture. Faces operational efficiency challenges due to limited specialized resources. By analyzing job sequencing and workflow optimization, we can enhance decision-making skills. This case study provides insights into improving processes, crucial for students aiming to apply these strategies across various industries. This case study delves into operational efficiency challenges faced by a mid-size furniture company. By focusing on job sequencing and workflow optimization, it provides insights into improving decision-making skills. These strategies are crucial for managing limited specialized resources effectively, offering valuable lessons applicable across various industries. Craft Wood Furniture, a mid-sized enterprise, excels in handcrafted wooden furniture, emphasizing quality and craftsmanship. With 50 employees, the company depends on 2 expert woodworkers for crucial finishing stages, ensuring top-notch product quality. These core values solidify its reputation in a competitive market. The production process begins with selecting high-quality wood tailored to each furniture's specifications. General woodworkers then cut and assemble these materials into frames. 2 expert woodworkers handle the crucial finishing stages, including sanding, primer polishing, and final painting. Finally, each piece undergoes thorough quality control to ensure it meets our standards before delivery. Variable completion times in furniture production arise from material type, complexity, size, intricate details, and specific finishing requirements. These factors lead to scheduling challenges and potential bottlenecks, complicating efficient workflow management. Addressing these variations is crucial for optimizing operations and ensuring timely delivery. Designing an efficient workflow between specialists is crucial for minimizing delays and maximizing efficiency. This involves aligning tasks to reduce idle time and ensuring seamless transitions between processes. By addressing this core dilemma, companies can enhance operational efficiency, ultimately improving productivity and customer satisfaction. Job sequencing is crucial for optimizing task order to enhance production efficiency, minimize idle time, and reduce completion time. Effective sequencing impacts total production time, resource utilization, and delivery timelines. However, as job numbers grow, finding the optimal sequence becomes complex, necessitating systematic approaches over intuition. Students examine the current workflow to identify operational issues such as worker idle time patterns, bottlenecks, and capacity utilization. A qualitative assessment of the existing sequencing approach is crucial to understanding inefficiencies and areas for improvement. This analysis sets the foundation for optimizing job sequencing and enhancing overall production efficiency. Analyze production timing data for optimal sequencing. Dining table. Sanding 4.5 hours, polishing 3.2 hours, painting 5.8 hours. Bed frame. Sanding 3.8 hours, polishing 2.5 hours, painting 4.2 hours. Bookshelf. Sanding 2.7 hours, polishing 1.8 hours, painting 3.5 hours. Coffee table. Sanding 1.9 hours, polishing 1.5 hours, painting 2.3 hours. Johnson's rule involves listing all furniture items, comparing processing times for each job, and creating a sequence. Jobs with shorter first stage times are prioritized at the start, while those with shorter second stage times are placed at the end. Finally, calculate the make span to identify inefficiencies in the process. Exploring beyond Johnson's rule, consider shortest processing time, SPT, for minimizing job completion times. Earliest due date, EDD, prioritizes tasks by deadlines, enhancing timeliness. Critical ratio scheduling balances urgency and efficiency. Advanced algorithmic approaches offer sophisticated solutions for complex scheduling challenges, optimizing resource allocation and throughput in diverse operational contexts. Mastering fundamental operations, principles like sequencing and throughput enhances resource allocation in practical contexts. Applying quantitative techniques sharpens analytical skills for solving real-world operational problems. Developing creative solutions addresses complex challenges in small and medium enterprises, while understanding operational efficiency's impact on business performance and customer satisfaction is crucial for success. Teaching applications span Master of Business Administration programs, where core operations management principles are illustrated in relatable contexts. Executive education leverages these concepts in short-term programs, equipping managers with practical tools. Online learning adapts these teachings for digital platforms, using interactive simulations to boost engagement and comprehension. This case highlights the significance of operations management in business success. Small operational changes can significantly enhance performance. Systematic approaches often surpass intuition in complex decisions. Quality and efficiency are achievable with strategic planning. Even small businesses can leverage these principles for improved outcomes. Thank You and Skilled MBA offers a wealth of resources for those eager to delve into real-world business challenges. Our mission is to transform these challenges into practical learning experiences, shaping future business leaders. Explore our extensive library of case studies in operations, marketing, finance, and strategy on our website for deeper insights.